Shopify versus Amazon Dropshipping, a comprehensive guide for beginners in 2024. In the ever-evolving world of e-commerce, two prominent platforms stand out for dropshipping businesses, Shopify and Amazon. Both platforms have their unique features, advantages, and challenges. In this ultimate guide, we will explore the differences between Shopify and Amazon dropshipping, warehouse strategies, and shipping systems, providing a step-by-step approach for beginners in 2024. Understanding dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where a retailer sells products without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, the retailer purchases the product from a supplier, who then ships it directly to the customer. Shopify versus Amazon dropshipping. Shopify. Overview. Shopify is a versatile e-commerce platform that allows users to create their online stores and manage their businesses. Advantages: flexibility, customization, and control over the brand experience. Disadvantages: higher fees and the responsibility of managing inventory and shipping. Amazon. Overview. Amazon is the world's largest online marketplace, providing a vast customer base and easy access to various products. Advantages: access to Amazon's customer base, efficient shipping options, and built-in tools for selling. Disadvantages: strict policies, less control over branding, and increased competition. Choosing your niche and products. Research and select a profitable niche and products that align with your interests and target audience. Setting up your store. Shopify. Create a Shopify account. Choose a theme and customize your store. Add products to your store. Amazon. Create an Amazon seller account. Set up your seller profile. List your products on Amazon. Finding suppliers and dropshipping partners. Research and partner with reliable suppliers or use dropshipping apps to automate the process. Managing inventory and order fulfillment. Shopify. Set up inventory management. Integrate shipping solutions. Process orders and communicate with customers. Amazon. Use Amazon's FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, or Seller Fulfilled Prime for efficient order fulfillment. Monitor and manage inventory levels. Respond to customer inquiries and issues. Marketing and sales strategies. Implement various marketing strategies such as SEO, social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to attract and retain customers. Analyzing and optimizing performance. Regularly track your store's performance using analytics tools and make necessary adjustments to improve sales and customer satisfaction. Conclusion: both Shopify and Amazon offer unique opportunities for dropshipping businesses. As a beginner in 2024, carefully consider your goals, resources, and target audience before choosing a platform. By following this step-by-step guide, you can establish a successful dropshipping business and thrive in the competitive e-commerce landscape.